Welcome to today's episode of the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on GCN TV page. I would ask you to like, comment, share, and turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Don't forget to also subscribe to this page and encourage friends to do so. Now, Charlie, tables, ladders, and chairs. Obi a WWE now wrestling no. When we say wrestling no, there are some parts they allow people to use chairs, bang bang, and then the things that they can fight and they will use hammer and those things. So those matches are called tables, ladders, and chairs, TLC matches in wrestling. They say the wrestling that is happening in Ghana currently, wrestling now costs to Ghana no. And yet that table ladders, wrestling in WWE there NBU. But right now, be between NDC Communicator, then radio host. So be named McJerry. McJerry or your presenter and our host or your Juma or Neat FM. Yes, sir. Only NDC Communicator be on one kasa be kakra. It got a little bit heated. And Charlie, when you watch the video, interesting times are ahead of us. So, Charlie, let's quickly watch the video. Just 1 minute video. And then when we come back, I'll tell you what I think about it. Remember, it's political rant. You know how we do it. We are going to dissect the matter and then, All right, so let's watch the video quickly.
Professor Mills in himself, baby.
Some even
What happened?
Others even wait for 6 months.
Yes.
Others were even retained to be a DC.
3 months period now, Professor Mills. Edema this week chief executive me pamuchewo. Ghana say ya na sakra.
You see,
me mama baso ho pa o. But if you encouraging,
you see, my Jerry.
if you encouraging,
And I'm sure say,
Mr. Professor Mills, me no can say some DCs. One man Johnny everyone.
Oh yes, yes.
You people are being fair to us. Listen.
No,
You are being fair to us.
Okay,
so
so
let me talk.
I'll come back to you.
You are not being fair to us.
And then maybe I'm speaking
Honestly,
the truth,
you are
and
not
the
being fair
truth
to us.
is piercing your heart.
You are not being fair to us.
Me say, Professor Mills.
Oh.
Professor Mills said, "A job 3 months, no."
Oh.
Baby, say, "Obi we are Ghana kotondi."
Pastor, you people are not being fair.
Pastor, this guy should. Mama yanke kan samo.
So this conversation, this what led to this very discussion, and I say kasakasa about between McJerry and this NDC Communicator, and he say McJerry bisa say in 2009, Ebra President Kufuor eba we yenena President Mills government started no. President Mills gave DCs that were working under Kufuor an extension of 3 months, and some even received 6 months. And the reason is so that the various district assemblies can be working and allow ample time for President Mills and his cabinet to appoint their own people who will come and take over. Because the fact say there is a change in government does not mean that the various district levels and all those things should be on hold. And that was a very brilliant thing Professor Mills did. But McJerry is of the view say the way NDC youths are going about this current transition, if care is not taken, the whole nation will come to a halt. From now up to when John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, the President-elect, will be ready to appoint MCs and DCs across all the municipalities and districts we have in the country. And that is going to make the nation, Ghana, lose investment, grant, and all those things. And development across the various districts also is going to come to a halt. Now, as things are currently, some MCs, DCs, have had to run away. They are nowhere to be found. And the reason they are nowhere to be found is not because they are necessarily guilty of a crime or something, but it's because of the kind of things the NDC youth are doing or are engaging in. they feel their lives are threatened. They feel their lives are threatened. And the lives of their families, their wife, their children are being threatened. Because you don't know when a certain group of guys will mobilize and come to your house to come and scatter things. You don't know. You don't know. You don't absolutely know. And it is bad. It is sad. It is sad. Because the way things are going, a time will come when working for government will not even be appetizing, will not even be appealing. Or working to develop this nation, our dear motherland Ghana, will not be appealing to people who have maybe earned a match in other fields and who can contribute their quota to the development of this nation. It won't be appealing. Because if there's going to be a change of government and every time this is what is going to happen, people will be chased, laws will not work, people will not be given fair hearing, people will not allow for laws to, for courts of competent jurisdictions to find people guilty. People will jump into people's homes, ransack things, take anything they can grab their hands on and start accusing them of corruption or corruption-related charges. Then we are in for a very, very big mess and riot as a nation. And this is all Mark Jerry was saying. As a host, as a fair host. Say, stop the intimidation, the victimization that you are carrying up or carrying or undertaking as youth in NDC. Election is over. You've won. The other candidate has conceded. And the nation must move on. And if the nation should move on, one of the very vital key positions are still in freedom and without fear for their lives here. The various assemblies. Because whatever the case, if anything should happen, and I say if anything, it should be after 7th January. The people of Ghana have voted for Akufo-Addo for 4 years. The 4 years will come to an end on 7th of January 2025. So as we are speaking, and we know say MCs and DCs, they are the representation of the president at the various assembly levels. And so until the president's tenure is over, you cannot cannot start chasing an MC from his residence, not start chasing a DC from their residence, or making the place, the assemblies ungovernable and unrulable for them. Who in their right sense of mind will say Asema Magari can one can ye? NDC ni say on tiasie. NDC ni say on tiasie. Asem where Magari akafe say no. It is unheard of. It is not possible. He's not going to agree, and he's rebutting that people are not being fair. What is fairness in this? What is not being fair in this thing that we are discussing? So to the NDC communicator now, the fact that you have won an election, it qualifies one to start chasing people about and all those things. In the end, Ghana is the one going to suffer. Ghana is going to suffer. Ghana is going to suffer with the way things are being done, with the way people are going about things. Ghana is going to suffer. And I'm sure a lot of people, some of them, citizens, are not happy with the things that are ongoing. They are not happy. They are not happy. And I can tell you that if it were that we could reverse the arm of time and go back to 7th January, 7th December, people will vote differently with what they have seen NDC exhibit just less than 3 days after winning an election. People have regretted. A lot of people have regretted. A lot of media men have regretted pursuing the cause of NDC. A lot of neutrals have regretted ever considering NDC as an alternative. We wait to see how the coming days are going to be like. But until then, I remain the voice, and this has been the political rant on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, share. Let us know what you think. Let us know your perception, what you also think about everything we are discussing. And please subscribe. See you in the next one. Cheers.